If you want to see details on these beautiful lashes, stay tuned. What's up, you guys? If you're new or returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny Dove, and today I'll be showing you 9 different 3D mink lashes that I got from AliExpress. The lashes came just in simple packaging like this, nothing special, nothing cute. It took about a month to come. I was really concerned about that. I didn't think they were gonna get here at all at that point. I was like, they took my money, I'm not getting my lashes, I'm so sad. This is my first time ordering lashes from AliExpress. I've seen a bunch of videos of people getting these beautiful lashes for like $2, $3, and I always wanted to try it. So I hopped around and I bought a few lashes from 4 different companies that I have. I'm going to show you what they look like, and then I'm going to put them on. Then if you are interested or you like them, look in the description box for more details. Like I said before, they took a month to get here. So if you're willing to wait that long for some lashes, then this video is for you, girl. And if you like my beautiful contacts, feel free to look in the description box for the video that I made reviewing these contacts. And of course, if you like my blonde hair, feel free to look in the description box for a video on how I got this beautiful look and where I got the hair from. The first set of lashes came together like this, and the first one that we will be reviewing is E1. So this is E1, and it comes in a cute little pink box like this. And it even tells you the number, or it says E1 right there. I don't know if you can see that. Right there in the corner it says E1. And it comes in a plastic. Like, these are really secure. So, how do you open this? Oh, you slide it like that. Here's what they look like. Okay. This is the Duo Dark Toned eyelash glue. I personally feel like it works better than the regular white glue from Duo. So yeah, somebody at my door. Oh, you guys. Okay guys, so these are what they look like. These are more like the natural side. I really like them. You know, I thought they were gonna be too short because I'm all for the dramatic and everything, but these look really cute. Excuse the noise outside. My hall sisters are wilding out today. But yeah, these are E1 from the first collection, the first set that I got. I don't think I showed you guys how I put them on because my friend came and interrupted my video. This one is E10, and these are what they look like. And then you slide it. This is what they look like. I like to blow on the lash a little bit before I put them on. Make sure you line it up before you put the glue on. Match it up with your eye. And I like to do this little kind of thing, make it round mirror. And I just kind of place it in the middle like that. I stab it in the middle first, and then I go in at the ends. Oh, okay. These are cute. It kind of, you see how it's like, it's short and then it like gradually gets bigger. These are really pretty. This is E10. She's cute. I really like these. This is E2. And then here's what they look like. Similar to E1, they're just, I think, more full. They're more like the fuller side. So this is E2. So this is what E9 looks like. These look more like dramatic. These look like they can be a little dramatic. So I'm excited because E1 and E2 were more on like the subtle side, and then E10 and I guess E9 are more like on the dramatic side. So let's see what these look like. These are more like on the softer side. They're not as full, but they still have like that wispy kind of deal going on with them. You see, like, oh. Okay, so these are cute. These are giving me like Barbie vibes. Like, I got some glue on the side of my eyeball, but these are E9. These are really pretty. The next eyelash that I'll be showing you guys is from a different company, and it pretty much has the same kind of packaging except the background is silver, and these are more on the dramatic side, and this one is D22. I actually loved these so much I bought them twice. So I already wore them, love them, think they're really pretty. They're definitely dramatic and natural at the same time. It's more like a dramatic natural look. This is D22, and oh, see, this is different. This one slides this way. The other ones were sliding this way. This one slides this way. This is D22. You see how it's like more voluminous? They're on like the longer side of life. I really like D22. I'm glad I bought them twice because they're really cute. This is what they look like. You see, they give you more of like a pow. It's more on like the pow side of life. So these are D22. This is D20. So this is D20. Are they starting to all look repetitive, you guys? Let me know, because I'm really trying to give you guys a nice variety of all the lashes I got. D20. These are the most voluminous, the most dramatic lashes that I've got out of all of them. These, I believe, weren't $2. These were the $3 lashes, and I guess they're $3 because they're so dramatic. They're like really dramatic. The first one that I'll show you guys is called E12. It's from a different company. They came like this. As you can see, I actually couldn't wait, and I actually wore them already. So instead of putting them on, I'm going to insert what they look like. One is also called E1, but it's from a different company. The packaging came in this really cute circle kind of thing, and to show you that I'm not lying, this is E1 as well. Like a little whoop, and they come like this. These are really pretty. I know for a fact that these are going to be very dramatic. Whoa. Oh my gosh, you guys, no, there's just no way this is real. This is not real life. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to glue this on because I refuse to believe they're this full. You guys, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Where am I flying away to? Where am I flying away to with these lashes? Oh, so So E1 is no joke. E1, I look like I look like I could fly away with these lashes. I could literally fly away. As you can see, they can fly away too. This is crazy, but I feel like the more I wear it, the more I kind of like it. I don't know. You guys let me know how you feel about dramatic E1. I wasn't ready for that. Wow, that was serious. E1 is serious. I feel like if I had a lot of makeup on, if I was going for a very, very dramatic look, then E1 would be it. I'm not gonna be wearing E1 on a regular basis because E1 has made it very clear that she is not to play with, okay? The end is near. The last lash that I got, this is E88. She's on the dramatic side as well, but hopefully she's not as dramatic as E1. Okay, see, these aren't as bad. I feel like these are dramatic, but they're like more spread out, so it's not like yeah in your face kind of thing. These are cute. I didn't glue it down because, you know, but these I actually really like these. So this is E88. So this is what they look like. These are really pretty too. I feel like they're full, but they're not as dramatic. That concludes my eyelash haul. Oh my gosh. Let me see if I can get a thumbnail without dying. This concludes my eyelash haul. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I do. Let me know which ones that you like the most. I really like these. I think maybe because I'm tired and they all started to look the same, but be sure to check the description box for all the information you need on these lashes, these contacts, and this beautiful hair. Please give your girl a thumbs up and subscribe.